Socializing 41. In a narration found in Imam Munzari's Awareness and Apprehension, number 2520, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised the characteristics of a fortunate person. The final characteristic mentioned in the main narration under discussion is withholding excess words. Evil words must always be avoided. Vain and useless words should also be avoided, as they often lead to evil words. In addition, one must understand that the majority of problems, difficulties and arguments a person encounters are caused by unnecessary words and conversations. A Muslim should therefore either speak good or remain silent, which has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 176. Chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 114.
No good is there in much of their private conversation, except for those who enjoin charity or that which is right or conciliation between people. And whoever does that seeking means to the approval of Allah, then we are going to give him a great reward.